Ever started a simple project only to have one tiny problem waste half your day? Well, not anymore. Today, we're showcasing 13 brilliant new Amazon tools designed to help you work faster, smarter, and with less effort. Stick around until the end because the final tool might be the best upgrade your toolbox has ever seen. Let's get started. Have you ever tried squeezing a manual caulking gun only to end up with sore hands, uneven lines, and a huge mess? This cordless electric caulking gun completely changes the experience. Powered by two rechargeable 2.0 AH batteries, it delivers smooth, consistent sealant every single time. 4 adjustable speed settings let you match the flow perfectly, whether you're sealing bathrooms, windows, kitchens, or construction joints. The built-in LED light helps you work accurately even in dark corners or tight spaces. It also includes 9 professional silicone finishing tools, so your final results look clean and factory finished. Drilling multiple hole sizes usually means stopping, changing bits, then starting all over again. But this M35 Cobalt step drill bit set handles dozens of sizes using just one bit. Built from premium M35 Cobalt steel with advanced TiALN coating, these bits stay sharper dramatically longer while cutting through stainless steel, aluminum, sheet metal, plastic, and even wood with ease. The spiral flute design removes chips efficiently, reducing heat and creating smoother holes with less effort. Let's be honest, every project has that moment when the screw disappears and somehow ends up in another dimension. That's exactly why this magnetic wristband exists. Powerful embedded magnets securely hold screws, nails, drill bits, bolts, washers, and other small hardware right on your wrist. Instead of climbing down ladders or digging through your pockets every few seconds, everything stays within arm's reach. The lightweight, breathable material remains comfortable during long jobs, while the adjustable strap fits almost anyone. Every toolbox needs a reliable screwdriver, but this one is much more than just another cordless driver. The ENERTWIST 8V cordless screwdriver comes packed with an impressive 82-piece accessory kit, giving you everything you need right out of the case. Its ergonomic dual-position handle quickly switches from a pistol grip to an inline design, making it perfect for tight spaces and awkward angles. With 21+1 clutch settings and up to 10 Newton-meters of torque, you get precise control for everything from delicate electronics to furniture assembly. Some tools replace one tool. This one replaces 3. The DAKCOS Multifunction Scaffold Ratchet combines a heavy-duty ratchet wrench, a podger alignment tool, a claw nail puller, and even a hammer into one rugged piece of steel. Designed for construction professionals, iron workers, and serious DIYers, it makes aligning bolt holes and tightening fasteners dramatically easier. The reversible ratcheting mechanism speeds up repetitive work, while the durable forged construction is built to handle demanding job sites. Anyone who's ever removed old caulk knows how frustrating and messy it can be. This 4-in-1 silicone caulking toolkit takes all the hassle out of removing, applying, and finishing sealant like a professional. The stainless steel remover quickly strips away old caulk without damaging surrounding surfaces, while the interchangeable silicone finishing pads create smooth, perfectly shaped bead lines in seconds. It even includes protective gloves, making cleanup safer and easier. Your hands are your most valuable tools, so protecting them should always come first. The Schwer AirSkin ANSI A6 cut-resistant gloves provide exceptional protection against sharp metal, glass, wire, and construction materials without sacrificing comfort or flexibility. Unlike bulky work gloves, these ultra-thin gloves allow you to maintain excellent dexterity for precision tasks, while reinforced thumb protection adds extra durability where it's needed most. Wheel alignment doesn't always require an expensive trip to the repair shop anymore. This wheel-toe alignment toolkit lets you accurately check and adjust your vehicle's front-end toe alignment right from your own garage. Made from durable stainless steel, the toe plates work alongside the dual tape measures to provide quick, reliable measurements for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Whether you've replaced suspension components or simply want to improve tire wear and steering performance, this kit makes the process surprisingly straightforward. Nothing ruins a road trip faster than discovering a low tire when you're already running late. That's where the Y34 portable tire inflator becomes a true lifesaver. With powerful 150 psi performance and a high-capacity 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it inflates car tires up to 4 times faster than many standard portable pumps. The bright digital pressure gauge lets you set your desired PSI with precision, and the automatic shutoff stops inflation the moment the correct pressure is reached. Some jobs demand more than an ordinary drill, and this beast is built for exactly those moments. The AOBEN rotary hammer drill packs a powerful 13-amp motor, capable of drilling through concrete, brick, stone, and masonry with remarkable ease. Its SDS Plus chuck allows for quick bit changes, while the built-in vibration control and safety clutch improve comfort and help reduce user fatigue during demanding projects. Whether you're installing anchors, breaking concrete, or remodeling your home, this tool delivers serious professional-grade performance. When it's time to tear something down, you need a tool that's every bit as tough as the concrete standing in your way. This 30-pound heavy-duty demolition jackhammer is powered by a robust 1,700-watt, 14-amp motor, delivering the force needed to break sidewalks, foundations, driveways, and thick concrete with confidence. Its vibration control design helps reduce fatigue during extended demolition work, while the included flat and bullpoint chisels let you switch between different applications quickly. Precision woodworking can be intimidating unless you have the right guide. The ELEON self-centering dowel jig takes the guesswork out of drilling perfectly aligned dowel holes every single time. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, its extra-wide adjustable jaws clamp securely onto a wide range of board sizes, while automatically centering your drill for unmatched accuracy. The included drill bushings help ensure perfectly straight holes, making furniture building, cabinetry, shelving, and custom woodworking projects easier than ever. We're finishing today's countdown with a tool that's all about precision, because in woodworking, the smallest measurement can make the biggest difference. The Tracer Professional ProScribe toolset is designed to create incredibly accurate layout lines on wood, metal, tile, and other materials with ease. It includes a deep-hole construction pencil, 6 long-lasting 2.8mm lead refills, a durable holster, and a protective carrying case, keeping everything organized and ready for the job. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which tool impressed you the most? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos featuring the newest Amazon tools, workshop gear, DIY gadgets, and professional equipment. Thanks for watching, work smarter, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.